We just checked into the Grant Lodge, and this is a 2 double room on the first floor in the Antelope Building. And I wanted to give you a look around. Table and chairs here. Really great view of the lake. Total bonus. And then we have the 2 double beds. There is over here a coffee maker. Looks like a mini fridge. Glasses. And there's a fairly good amount of room. Hanging bar, luggage rack, recycling, and the bathroom. Kind of maneuver around. And then this room does have a tub. And again, this is Aaron Grant Village in the Antelope Building, and it's a 2 double room.